Hello students, very good morning to you. So let's start with a new thing, with this new week, with a new day, with a new hope in our life to achieve something new, right? So here we are going to start with a new topic, with a new chapter from the book Haunted. So we are having a chapter number 6, the Browning version. This is basically a play, right? So we are having a play, that too one act play right now. Now one act play means that in an act basically the number of scenes can be there, but act is one only. And this play is an excerpt, basically one episode from one big play. So written by Terence Rattigan, who born in the year 1911 and died in 1977. He was a British dramatist who used to write number of dramas, plays, as well as he was a screenwriter. And generally he used to write on the middle class background also. His plays generally based on that. So this is also one of his big earliest play, and one excerpt has been taken. Now in this play, we are having four characters. Taplow, who is a young boy, or I would say he is a student. Mr. Crocker Harris, middle-aged teacher. Strict one. Frank, young-age teacher. Science teacher. Not as strict as Mr. Crocker Harris, little lenient one. Millie Harris, who is the wife of Mr. Crocker Harris. So these four are there, and this excerpt, this chapter, is basically based on the Taplow and Frank conversation. Now one day basically what happened at Taplow, who was a student, he was in the school and he was doing his pending work. And there Frank came, his science teacher, and their conversation started. So I'm reading so that we can understand. So this is an excerpt from the Browning version. The scene is set in our school. Frank is a young and Mr. Crocker Harris middle-aged. Both are masters. Taplow is a boy of 16 years. So he's a 16-year boy. Right? Who is coming to do extra work for Mr. Crocker Harris. As I mentioned, he was doing the extra work on the instructions of Mr. Crocker Harris. But the latter has not yet arrived and Frank finds Taplow waiting. So latter here means the last one. I told you earlier also the difference between former and latter. So former means the first one, latter means the last one. So last name I had said about Mr. Crocker Harris. So basically Taplow was doing the work, but Mr. Crocker Harris did not arrive yet, and Frank finds Taplow waiting. So their conversation started. Frank: do I know you? Taplow: no sir. What's your name? Taplow. So the conversation started. Taplow introduced his name. Taplow: no I don't. You are not a scientist, I gather. So he said, I don't know you because you are not such a great personality, basically he wants to say. No sir, I'm still in the lower 5th. So he was in the 5th grade, lower 5th grade. I can't specialize until next term, that's to say, if I have got my remove all right. So he said that I'm still in the lower 5th grade and tomorrow is a remove. So means tomorrow is a result. In the British school generally say a remove for the result. The next day would be the result. As because he mentioned that you're not a scientist. So he said tomorrow, I'm not a specialized because tomorrow there would be a remove actually. Don't you know if you have got your remove? So Frank asked, don't you know your result, that what would be your result actually? No sir, Mr. Crocker Harris doesn't tell us the results like the other masters. So Taplow said, no sir, our teacher Mr. Crocker Harris is not like the other teachers. Other teachers disclose the things to the students in advance, but Mr. Crocker Harris is not that type of one. Why not? Well, you know what he's like, sir. So Frank asked, why not? Why Mr. Crocker Harris did not mention about it? So Taplow said, you know about Mr. Crocker Harris, so that what kind of a person or teacher Mr. Crocker Harris. I believe there is a rule that form results should only be announced by the headmasters on the last day of the term. So Frank said, even that teacher said that, I believe that there is a rule that on the last day of the term only the results should be announced. Taplow: yes, but who else pays attention to it except Mr. Crocker Harris? So Taplow said, so conversation is going on for Crocker Harris. Other teachers are not paying instructions to the rules and regulation, but Mr. Crocker Harris is a very sincere teacher, he pays attention. I admit, but that's not criteria. So you have got to wait until tomorrow to know your fate, have you? So he said, okay, but it means you need to wait till tomorrow to know your fate, to know your destiny, what would happen tomorrow, whether the result would be in your favor or not. Yes, sir. Supposing the answer is favorable, what then? So yeah, suppose the answer, the result, that remove would be favorable for you, then what you will do? Science, sir, of course. So he said that I would opt for science. And Frank was also a science teacher. Frank, sadly, there was a sad expression, yes. We get all these slackers. So he said that till now we are having the slackers. Slackers means here that till now we are having the lazy students who are not motivated to do something in this science field actually. So Taplow, he protested. He said, no sir, I'm extremely interested in science. Are you? I'm not at least in the science I have to teach. He said, no, I don't think so. And the science which I need to really teach is not that much interesting. Well, not Taplow mentioned. Well, anyway, sir, it's a good deal, more exciting than this mark indicated in his book. So what Taplow was doing a work, and he had a book in his hand. So he had shown that book to that teacher, science teacher Frank, and said that at least this science is more interesting than this muck, indicating the book. Now muck means something very boring. What is this muck? So he asked, like what kind of a book you are reading, so you are not liking it. He said Ashlis the Eggmanon. So the Eggmanon is the name of the book and Ashlis is the author. And you considered views that the Eggmanon is muck. So yes, do you really think this book is that not interesting or the boring? Well, no sir, I don't think the play is muck. So he mentioned, I'm not saying that this play is boring or not interested. Exactly. I suppose in a way it's rather a good plot. There is a good plot in that. Really a wife murdering her husband and all that. I only meant the way it's taught to us. Just lot of Greek words strung together and 50 lines if you get them wrong. So he said that I like science more than this literature book here because the play is very nice. Play is very interesting. But how it has like been taught to us, how the things have connected, actually I'm not liking that at all. You sound a little bitter to approach. So he said that you're sounding bitter. He said, yes, I am. Captain. No, sir, extra work. So you have been told to be here only. No, sir, I'm doing the extra work on the last day of the school, he said. Yes, sir, and I might be playing golf. You would have think he would have enough to do anyway, himself considering he's leaving tomorrow for good. But oh no, I missed a day last week when I was ill. So here I am and look at the weather, sir. So Taplow said that I can play golf. Weather is very nice. But last week I was not well, I missed a class, so I'm here to complete my that work so that Mr. Crocker Harris can give me the result tomorrow. Bad luck. Still there is one comfort. You're pretty well certain to get your remove tomorrow for being a good boy and taking extra work. So that, but still you will get the remove tomorrow because you are a good student, sincere student doing the work on the last day of the term also. Well, I'm not sure, sir. That would be true of the ordinary masters, alright. They just would not dare not to give a chap a remove after he's taking extra work. But those sort of rules don't apply to Mr. Crocker Harris. I asked him yesterday all pride if he would have given me a remove, and do you know what he said, sir? So he said that, but our teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris, behaves differently. He can't disclose the things early. I need to complete my work so that I can have the remove next day. So I really hope it's clear to you till now. The rest we can do it in the next class. So what you need to understand that how Taplow and Frank they met, they both were not known to each other and they started having the conversation related to the science, the remove and about Mr. Crocker Harris right now. Thank you. God bless you and send the work. Thank you.